Hi, my name is Bae Soo-hyun. I am a Year 4 engineering student from Korea, majoring in Industrial and Manufacturing Systems Engineering. Prior to joining the university, I have traveled to Hong Kong many times, and I always found the city fascinating. The dynamic city as the financial hub of Asia, together with unique characteristics of an international city. I always wanted to find out how exciting it would be like living in the city. Studying a subject I am passionate about at one of the world's highly recognized institutions gave me motivation and confidence during my study. Together, quantitative nature of engineering and qualitative studies of supply chain and operations research from industrial engineering had laid me a solid foundation of skill sets that are required in various fields inside and outside of engineering for my prospective career options, giving me opportunities to build up my career with my first internship at an asset management company in Hong Kong. Being able to reside in a student hall gave me unforgettable experiences. Being a hall member meant more than having a place to live in, but becoming a member of a large family where you can feel a sense of belonging throughout your study at the university. I have been a member of the Swire Hall football team for the third year now, and there are many more activities you can imagine at the university and halls. Hope you will enjoy your life at HKU like me.